Ever pondered about the place you call home? Is it a place that stirs your spirit, a place that offers you the perfect blend of tranquility and excitement? If you're seeking a change of scenery, a fresh start, or a new adventure, Arizona might just be the place you've been dreaming of. Why Arizona, you ask? Well, let's hear it straight from the ones who've made the Grand Canyon State their home. Meet Sam, a software engineer from the bustling city of New York. He says, moving to Arizona was one of the best decisions I've ever made. The cost of living is affordable and the quality of life simply unbeatable. Plus, the tech scene here is thriving. Next, we have Maria, a retired school teacher from snowy Minnesota. She gushes, "I moved to Arizona for the warm, sunny climate. I was tired of shoveling snow. Now I spend my winters basking in the sun, hiking and exploring the state's beautiful landscapes." Then there's Jack, a young entrepreneur from California. He shares, "Arizona's business-friendly environment has been a game-changer for my startup. The state's economy is strong and the opportunities here are limitless." So, intrigued by Arizona, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos like this one. Now think about these stories. Picture yourself in a place where the sun shines almost all year round, where the cost of living is lower than the national average, where the job market is robust, and where nature's grandeur is just a short drive away. Imagine waking up to the warm hues of a desert sunrise, spending your weekends hiking through majestic canyons, playing golf on world-class courses, or simply relaxing by the pool under the clear blue sky. Envision a place where you can live comfortably, work successfully, and play endlessly. A place that offers a rich blend of cultures, an exciting culinary scene, top-notch education, and healthcare facilities. Think about the beauty of the Sonoran Desert, the grandeur of the Grand Canyon, the charm of Sedona's red rocks, and the vibrancy of Phoenix City life. That's Arizona for you, a state that offers something for everyone. So if you're contemplating a move, consider Arizona. It could be the place where you find that perfect balance between work and play, between fast-paced city life and tranquil natural retreats. It could be the place where your dreams take flight. Remember, a change of scenery could mean a change in life. It could be the spark you need to reignite your passion, to find your purpose, or to simply live a life that you love. So why not give Arizona a chance? It might just turn out to be the place you've been searching for all along. Consider Arizona. It could be your next great adventure.